Cancer is very preventable. When the medical establishment acknowledges what I know about this disorder, what's causing it, and what we're not doing to prevent it or treat it, it will be recognized as the greatest tragedy in the history of medicine.
Thomas Seyfried is a professor of biology, genetics, and biochemistry
who has dedicated the past 30 years gathering scientific evidence on what could be
the true origin and prevention of cancer.
Cancer is getting worse, and there's no major advance in reducing death rates, and I can speak to the reasons for that. All major cancer research centers think cancer is a genetic disease.
You believe otherwise?
It's not whether you believe, it's what the data tell us. And the evidence is massive to support that cancer is a metabolic disorder. And the problem is we're doing everything we possibly can in our lifestyle to induce it. The scientific evidence is there. Like, for example, we know that cancer was extremely rare in African tribes that were living according to the traditional ways. But when modern lifestyle entered into their societies, cancer out of control. We even did a study on dogs. We know that wolves in the wild don't die from cancer, but cancer is the #1 killer of domestic dogs. Why? It's because of our lifestyle issues. And a lot of us are doing things without the knowledge that it would put us at risk. But with metabolic therapy, you can use it as both a prevention and a treatment. And we're seeing more and more of terminal cancer patients outliving their predictability because of this. And let me tell you one thing, and remember it. If you do metabolic therapy, you can actually reduce risk for cancer. You can take away the fear.
And when you say metabolic therapy, tell me what those things are.
Number one.
Before this episode starts, I have a small favor to ask from you. 2 months ago, 74% of people that watch this channel didn't subscribe.